This is my first time presenting at an EAGE workshop, and so far it's been great. I've been really impressed with the location and how it's been run. So I present at EAGE because some of the science that we do as a team that I've been presenting is quite complicated, and it's nice to be able to present that to an audience of very technical people who can understand it and also help input to the work going forwards.
My experience with the online portal to submit an abstract to this workshop was extremely simple.
Just filled out a few boxes and attached a couple of files, and yeah, it was very simple.
Workshop is a good environment to discuss your work because it has a small amount of attendees, making it more familiar to discuss your work. And also it has a well-defined topic that you can discuss over a couple of days.
EAGE workshops are a very good opportunity to catch up with old colleagues and friends in the industry and learn about new opportunities and proposals for research that are going on, and also new technologies that are happening.
I decided to join the workshop committee because I see it as a great opportunity to get an overview of what's going on in Europe.
Oh, I would definitely recommend other my colleagues to join as a committee member. There are many good reasons for that. One of them is to get a sense of the network, that you meet other people and you get also some experience in presenting and arranging workshops. So it's a good opportunity that many people should take advantage of.
I think the special registration fee EAGE gives to students, it's very nice to stimulate a more diverse audience and also incentive students to come and present their work they've been developing. I would definitely recommend an EAGE workshop for my fellow students.
The social programs of the workshops are really good opportunity to mingle with the participants in a more relaxed environment, and you can talk with them during dinner or during drink breaks and drinks reception. And at a few workshops I attended, we also had geological field trips where you can really then talk to the people in a more relaxed environment.